Hello everyone, Amanda here from Scrimpingmommy.co.uk, and I'm coming today to share with you my brand new style of customer gifts. This is how I'm going to be thanking my customers from now on, after a lot of thought and deliberation. Now I'm just going to quickly explain to you how most demonstrators reward their customers. What happens is we give out a monthly hostess code, you use that code and it collects your orders as if it's one big order, and that then earns stamping rewards. And that is basically a pot of free money that the demonstrator can then use to order product which has cost them nothing, it's free. It's shipped to their house and they basically repackage it and ship it back out. That's it. And to me, for a long time, I've just thought it's a little bit too easy to just give away free stuff. There's no value added to that by me. And also the other thing that was unsettling to me was the inconsistency in what I could gift, because although I am classed as a high-ranking demonstrator, you know, the orders can vary, and I still have quite a small customer base, and so the amount of money in that pot fluctuates so much from month to month that it's hard to be consistent. So some months I might be gifting, you know, a pack of embellishments. Some months there might be enough money for DSP. Some months there might have been enough money for stamps. And then again the month after, you know, orders might be down, and I literally might not be enough to pay for you know, a pack of dimensionals. So it's inconsistent and I didn't like it. And I didn't personally feel any value in just ordering free stuff, repackaging it and sending it. So I've changed up. And what you're going to get from me now every month is a free online card class. Now online card classes are pricey. If you look around at what people charge, they are a lot of money. So I'm going to be gifting you this for free. So what I've done is every month I am going to design for you 4 separate individual cards. So there will be 4 separate designs, and so it won't be 2 of the same or 3 of the same. It's 4 different designs, and you're going to get a kit, and in this kit contains everything you need to make those 4 designs except the stamp. Okay, because I'm not allowed to send stamp sets, and I don't earn enough money to send you stamp sets, I'm afraid. However, I will cleverly design my cards so that you could use a stamp set that you do already perhaps own. Okay, if you wanted to go away at a later date and buy the stamp set that I've used, that's great, but it's not essential for this online class and this card kit. So in your kit, okay, you're going to get it beautifully presented, like I do with all of my kits. I always add personal touches. So in here you have everything you need to create those 4 cards. It will vary from month to month. This is October's and it's based around the Share What You Love. And in here we have 4 card bases. They are cut to size, but you'll need to score them in the middle or fold them. You've got 4 envelopes where I've got the DSP layers that are necessary for the designs I've created. These dialers are going to be used on the design. And if we look inside here, oh, I've put a sticker on this one. Let me get a different one because I've put a sticker on that one. You're going to get a sweetie. I've put my sweetie in that one, but I've already put my little sticker on, so I don't want to open it. So I'll just grab another one over. So you will get a sweetie in here. And inside, what you're going to get is, you're going to get everything you need. Basically, I'm going to pre-do it all for you. You're going to get everything you need to create 4 individually designed cards. Now this month's we've got punch outs, but some months it will be die cuts. If that's part of my design, you'll be given the die cuts that you need as well. Okay, so we've got the punch outs. These are layers of DSP and card that we need for the specific designs. And also one of my designs does use this beautifully embossed card front, so I'm providing that for you. You've also got the ribbon that you're going to need for the designs. Now to go with them, you're going to get a private YouTube video, which I will send you the link to, more than likely via your email, unless I can figure out how to do a private page on my blog. I've not figured that out, so for now you're going to get it sent to you via email. so that you can then go and watch that private video and you can create those 4 beautiful cards. So to me, I just feel like it sits better with me, because I'm not just dishing out stuff that hasn't cost me anything. I've put time and thought. I've designed these cards exclusively. There's the time taken to create the kits for you. It gives me, I want that to be straight, it gives me the opportunity to just thank you in a little bit more of a concise way, without, you know, whether my orders fluctuate and the pot of money is different, you know, you're going to get the concise every single month. You know, you're going to get a beautiful free card class and kit and video. Now, as I say, online classes can be pricey. So really, you're getting a really good deal here, because I'm adding time into your free product to create you a beautiful, beautiful class. Now, along with your card kit and card class, you always get a beautiful handmade card, which I do write inside so that you can, you know, so you can reuse it. You also get the customer loyalty vouchers. Now, there's a page on my blog that explains what these are about, and basically you collect these and you swap them for free product packages. Okay, there's different packages for different levels of redemption. It's all over on my blog. So that is free product, but that is based on your customer loyalty. Okay, everyone who shops with me will get the free online class and card kit. Now, as well as that, every month getting the free card class, you're also going to get another card class in the form of a PDF. Now, this will be sent to you the second that you order, or the second I can get online to send it. Yeah, this will be sent to you to the email that you order on, and it is an extensive PDF, so you download it off of your email. It's an exclusive PDF class this month, so this is November, so my customers are getting this at the moment, and this is the Snow is Glistening. Now, again, they're designed beautifully, and if you don't have that set, you can adapt the ideas to one that you do have. And this PDF contains designs for 3 cards and 2 3D designs. It's a very intensive PDF. You've got step-by-step photo instructions, you've got full method instructions, all the full method step-by-step broken down for you so that you can follow it. So everybody's going to get one of these, and this is November's, and there's one coming for next month as well. So that is an awful lot of stuff for you to be free gifts. And it's not just a bit of free product put in a bag and posted. There's a lot of thought gone into this, and it's to help you expand your creating, to give you ideas, tutorials to help you along, everything that you need pre-done, and I just think there's just that little bit more thought gone into this form of customer thank you. And so now I feel happy and I feel settled with myself that I am rewarding my customers with just that little bit more of a thank you from me to you for shopping with me. So I'll leave that with you. I've waffled and waffled. I've got to go now and create some lovely tutorials to share on my videos. So keep watching. I'll be back soon. Bye for now.